Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best budget heat guns available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Heimerdinger 18V heat gun. When I first held the Pound 128, its lightweight 1 kg design immediately struck me. The unit felt well balanced in my hands, and the LED display caught my eye with its crisp, clear readings. The digital temperature display became my constant companion throughout testing, providing real-time feedback that I found invaluable. The 400 feet per minute air volume impressed me during operation. I noticed the airflow remained consistent and powerful, which proved perfect for my various applications. The 360W rated output power delivered reliable performance, and I particularly appreciated how the ceramic heating element responded quickly to temperature adjustments. The temperature control system deserves special mention. I found myself frequently adjusting settings via the digital interface, which responded with precision. The quick-release attachment system made my work significantly more efficient. I could swap attachments without any frustrating delays. The construction quality exceeded my expectations. While testing, I noticed the premium materials used in the ceramic heating element made a tangible difference in performance. The unit's durability became apparent through extended use, though I'd recommend careful handling of the LED display area. At number 2 is the MACE Plus heat gun. The dual temperature modes are a game changer. I found the low setting perfect for delicate tasks like shrink wrapping, while the high setting tackles tough jobs like paint removal with ease. The rapid heating feature is no marketing gimmick, it really does reach working temperature in seconds. While the heat gun doesn't come with a battery, its compatibility with Makita 18V batteries is a huge plus for those already invested in the Makita ecosystem. I found the battery life to be surprisingly good, though it naturally varies depending on the temperature setting used. The construction quality has exceeded my expectations. The ABS plastic housing feels robust, and the stainless steel air outlet shows no signs of wear even after extensive use. I particularly appreciate the all-copper motor and oxidation heating wire, which give me confidence in the tool's longevity. During extended use, I've really come to appreciate the ergonomic design. The balanced weight distribution and comfortable grip have made it easy to work on longer projects without hand fatigue. This is especially important when working overhead or in awkward positions. At number 3 on our list is the ZF300W540 cordless heat gun. I was initially skeptical about a cordless heat gun's performance, but this tool quickly proved me wrong. The 3-second heat up time isn't just marketing speak, it genuinely reaches working temperature almost instantly. I found the dual temperature modes incredibly practical, especially when switching between delicate tasks like shrink wrapping and more demanding jobs like paint removal. As a long-time DeWalt user, I appreciate that this heat gun works seamlessly with my existing 20V batteries. I've tested it with both my DCB204 and DCB206 batteries, and the performance has been consistent across both. However, I noticed that heavy-duty tasks do drain the battery relatively quickly. The LCD display is one of my favorite features. Being able to see exact temperature readings and adjust settings on the fly has transformed how I approach different projects. The interface is intuitive, and the controls are responsive, though I did need a few days to get used to the button placement. Moving up at number 4 is the DSUNYK Hot Air Mini Heat Gun. The construction is robust and well thought out. The digital display panel provides precise temperature control, while the ergonomic design makes it comfortable for extended use. The inclusion of specialized nozzles adds versatility to this tool's capabilities. During my testing, I found the 2000W2800W power range impressive. The air volume output of 600L and 1200 RPM no load speed delivered consistent performance across various applications. The temperature control is remarkably precise, making it suitable for both delicate and heavy-duty tasks. One of the most notable aspects is the intelligent cooling system. When powering down, the air motor continues running for 10 seconds to expel residual heat, a feature I found particularly valuable for protecting internal components. The 220V operation provides stable power delivery, while the adjustable temperature control allows for precise heat management. I particularly appreciated the dual-cooled hot air functionality, which proved invaluable for different applications. At number 5 is the Mythtiger 220V EUPLUG industrial heat gun. The ABS nylon engineering handle fits perfectly in my grip, and I can work for hours without experiencing hand fatigue. The build quality feels premium, especially considering its price point. The dual heating wire system is a game changer. In my tests, it reached working temperature in about 30 seconds, significantly faster than my previous heat gun. The temperature control is precise, and I found it maintains consistent heat output throughout extended use. The mica heat insulation in the barrel is particularly impressive. Even after hours of use, the exterior remains relatively cool to touch. This feature has given me confidence when working on longer projects. The controlled airflow made vinyl application smooth and bubble-free. The dual speed settings helped me avoid overheating the material. The 2000W power made quick work of old paint, though I recommend using the higher speed setting for this task. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.